So in this demo, we are going to create a local currency account in Japanese yen, funded with a Japanese yen wire, and we are going to place a trade in Japanese yen. So here we have the account's endpoint, and as you will see, it is mostly the same that you would normally expect from the Alpaca account endpoint. The only difference, and this is the key LCT component, is the currency is denoted in a 3-letter currency code. For Japanese yen, in this example, we are talking JPY. So we have our account here. We are now going to create. And here we go. We can see that we have created an account in Japanese yen. Here is the ID, the account number. Note here the currency is noted as JPY. We have no money in the account. This field is rated 0 as it is not funded. But note also that we provide a second order JSON field, USD, showing the account value in US dollars. This can be useful later when you are showing customer statements, or they would like to see the US dollar as a reference point for their own decision-making purposes. So now with this, we will fund the account in Japanese yen. So we will now go to our wire, and we will insert the currency code here. And I'm going to deposit about 300,000 Japanese yen. Okay, we can see this has gone through. We can see the amount, 300,000 Japanese yen, and we can again see the currency as JPY. All right, now that we have this, we can go and do our trade. So for this, we will need the long account ID as shown here. And we will go to orders using the orders endpoint, insert the account value here, and we will now select a trade. I would like to buy Apple. It is note for LCT, you can only do market orders, and this will be a notional order for 500 Japanese yen, and there will be a swap fee in basis points of about 100 basis points. Note, this is the correspondent basis points. Alpaca will set its own, and that will be subject to the commercial agreement that you have with Alpaca. So we have our endpoint, we have our order, and now we will press send. And here we go again. We can see that this order has been processed. So it is a notional value. So we can see the notional here, the notional value being 500 yen. We can see it was a market order with a buy. We can see the swap rate applied was 145.32. The exchange rate was 145.32. Swap fee in total was 150 basis points. So note in our example, we put in 100. So Alpaca's take here is 50 basis points. And if we want to understand what that is in US dollars, we have the notional amount here, $3 and 389 cents, as shown here. And that is LCT. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions or comments on LCT, be sure to reach out to your Alpaca sales representative.